Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Bluetooth device not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if on your laptop which you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, if your Bluetooth is not working, then I'll show you some of the steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on the search menu, then type here troubleshoot. Click on this troubleshoot settings. Then click on other troubleshooters. Here you will find Bluetooth. Just click on run and it will detect if there is any problem with your Bluetooth and it will fix it automatically. After doing this, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Click on search menu, then type here services. Click on the services. In this, you have to find Bluetooth. You can see here you will find 3 Bluetooth services. You have to just select the first service, right click on that, click on property, click on startup type as automatic, click on start, click on apply, then click OK, then close this window and right click on that, then click on restart. You have to do same as it is for second service. Double click on that, select automatic, click on start, click on apply, click on OK, close this window and restart the services. Now select the third service, right click on that, click on property. You have to not do any changes in this. Just click on start, click on apply, then click OK. After that, just close this window and restart your PC. After doing all these settings, still not facing the issue, then try the final method, that is you have to update your Windows. Click on start menu, click on settings. Here you will find Windows Update. You have to update your Windows from here. After updating, restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix Bluetooth device not working or not connecting on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.